Hello everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English and I'm Ajay Singh Rajput. With me, these are the extraordinary students and this is a talk show. I will just ask their views about a particular topic and they all will give their 100% on this very interesting topic today. So all the participants, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How the Joes?
Yes, sir.
How the Joes?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So the today's topic that we are going to discuss is which is the best age of life? Which is the best age of life? Childhood, the second is teenage, the third is adulthood, and the fourth is old age. Childhood from 1st to 12, teenage from 13 to 19, and from 20 to 50, 55, 60, this is called adulthood, and after 60, it starts old age. So according to you, which is the best age? You know, which is the age which makes our life beautiful, where we enjoy, where we don't have any worries? What do you think? Which is the best age of life? Let's start from you. What do you think, according to you?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the first opportunity. I think childhood is very good because no one is matured, and if where I will get the maturity in my life, so definitely I will hate my life because I have matured. And sir, everyone says old age and childhood age is the same. Sir, in the old age, in the future, I will make a mother-in-law of any daughter-in-law. So I can give a order her, please give me this, so I can get on the bed, and I can get very enjoy.
Okay.
And in a teenage, I have to be responsible, and in the adult age, I have to be take all the responsibilities of my family. So I think.
So you find that the we can say that childhood is the best age.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. What do you think, brother?
Thank you, sir, for giving mic. According to me, adult age is very good because we are able to understand what is right, what is wrong, and we are take problems.
We take problems,
Yes, sir.
and we solve it.
Yes, sir.
So you find adulthood is good.
Yes, sir.
But don't you think that we have much responsibilities? We have many responsibilities.
Yes, sir. Many responsibilities.
So how it's very problematic for us to handle all these problems. So don't you think our adulthood is not good age?
No, sir. According to me, adult age is very good.
Okay. So why do you think so? My questions to you.
We can solve problems and take risk.
We can solve problem and take risk. That's very good. Yes. What do you think, Deepika?
I think adult life is good because we know that what is going in our life, and we can solve our every problem because we are we know that what's the problem, and we know that how to solve it. And in the adult life, we are responsible for our family, and if there is a responsibility on us, so we can be a responsible person, and we can make our future. And if we do good in our adult life, so our future will be bright.
Our future will be bright. Absolutely right. That's very good. What do you think, brother? According to you.
I think is adult age is very good, and
Speak in mic.
yes, sir. I think is adult age is very good, and then to this age is very important, and this age responsible our family, and we are get our goal, and around the goal.
Okay, we get our goal in
Yes.
this age. That is why it is good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think, brother?
So I think that teenagers is good because in the teenagers we can get so much fun, and we are enough mature to understand all the things, and all the things that can be understood by the people and very very properly. So I think that the teenagers is good.
Teenage is good.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. What do you think?
Sir, I think that childhood is more better than more age, like a teenager, because childhood has no responsibility, child has no responsibility, or we have to do only enjoyment, and we have more love of parents after getting. When we are teenagers, so our parents give so much responsibility to us, like you have to make bed, or you have to take
You have to cook food, you have to arrange your house
Yes.
and all everything, right?
and take responsibility of your small brother and
Okay.
everything.
Now tell me, how old are you?
Sir, I am 11-year-old.
11-year-old. So your childhood is running now. So are you enjoying this age?
Yes, I am fully enjoying this age.
You are enjoying this age. Okay, so do your parents give you any order to do?
No, sir, my parents are so good and so they don't give. But sometimes if that is an emergency, so they give.
So they give you. And you don't do any household work?
Yes, sir, I do some household works with my mother.
With your mother?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But don't you think when we grow up at the in the adulthood, no one says no. Every time you are told by your parents that don't do this work, don't do that work. But in the adulthood, no one is going to tell you anything. You can do whatever you want. You are completely free. Don't you think?
No,
so?
but sir, sometimes teenagers or other age people take some other decisions, bad decisions like suicide or other things.
Oh my God. Suicide and all. Actually, that's good. That's good. Okay. Now, what do you think?
Sir, in my opinion, teenage is good because sir, we can elect best field for make our career, and we can fund so much, and sir, we can build best memories. So
That's
sir.
good. We can make best memories. Actually, that's good. That's good. Yes. What do you think?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, according to me, first is adult age is very good. In adult age, we can fully understand all things, and according to our career and our career and responsibilities, as well as we can enjoy easily. Very, मतलब के sorry.
Yeah. You can add your points. No problem. Yes.
So very good adult age according to me, and as well as how will you do and how can we do.
Okay. Chali, that's very good. Now, so Bhavesh and Mizwa, they think that adult age is good. What do you think, brother?
Thank you, sir. According to me, adult age is good because in this age we are we are able to understand what is right and what is wrong. We are mature and we are able to understand which thing is right for us, and we are responsible for everything. In this age, we can enjoy so much in college, and we can meet with every new friends in college, and we can consider colleagues in office, and we are enough mature to tackle all problem whatever arise.
Okay. So you also think that adult age is good? Yes. What do you think, brother?
Sir, I think adult is good for in this age we are able to understand all the things very easily because responsibility and proper understanding. Responsibility means we, in this age we are able to take any kind of responsibility very easy because whenever what is the mean of responsibility, so until so how to survive life very easily, and second is proper understanding. In this age, we are able to understand what is right and what is wrong. And I'm talking about this age for those students who want to make their career very good, because in this age there are so many opportunity get to with the help of we can make our career very good.
Yeah. Now, according to a survey, it has been found that in suicide cases, most of the persons they are found adults. So why the adults commit suicide? Because they don't find the life meaningful. But in the childhood, we are completely free. We don't have to do anything. Yes, Rashti, I just want to know from you, which is the best age of life?
I think, sir, childhood is the best part of our life because it is the learning stage.
Yeah.
Because in this age we took admission in school, so we understand how to deal with others and how to make friends.
Yeah.
And we are like a clay. Our teachers and our parents all teaches us in our childhood age, and the memories which we collect in our childhood, it is also the reason of our smile in adult life. When we become mature, that time we have so many responsibilities, but the only childhood memories childhood memories makes us happy. So I think childhood is the best part of life.
Best part of the life. Yes. What do you think?
Thank you, sir. According to me, childhood is good because no hard work and so many things learn in childhood. So, and
we are become our career, so we need to learn so many new things. So we can say better today than tomorrow, because so many new things just childhood, so we are become success in our life.
Absolutely right, absolutely right. Is there anybody who's going to say anything special? I just want to know. Yes, what do you think?
I think, sir, childhood life is better. It is the first stage of life where we can learn everything. That time we enjoy. We lot of enjoy.
Okay, but don't you think that no doubt in childhood we much enjoy, we enjoy very much. But don't you think that every time we are told not to do anything, we are stopped every time. We are told that don't go there. We are told not to go there. We are told not to do this work. Don't you think so? But in the adulthood, especially, we don't have to. Nobody is going to tell us anything. We can do anything, whatever we want. Don't you think so? Yes, say something. She's a bit confused. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think adult age is better, sir, because sir.
Why do you think so? Speak in mic.
Yes, sir. Adult age better, sir, because sir, in this age, a person understood what is wrong, what is right.
Okay.
And sir, in this age, a person take a decision easily.
Okay.
And manage family and job, sir. And sir, in this age, person make a career, and sir, earn to more and more money.
Okay.
And sir, in this age, person understood value of money, sir.
Right. So, do you think that if one is earning money, means he and she is living good life? My questions to all the participants is that which is the meaningful life? A life which is full of enjoyment, or a life which is full of money? Without money, we cannot enjoy the beauty of life. That is also the point. Yes. Is there anybody who's going to say anything special in the last of the session? Yes.
Childhood, we will have not scold other people, and we want to do, so we can do, and we can say many mind.
Okay, that is a good point. Yes.
And sir, in this childhood, we are free for doing any mistakes. No one will judge us, and children are also not compare ourselves to others.
Okay.
And there is no restriction in our childhood.
Okay.
So we can live an easy life and free life.
Okay. Chali, that's very good. Now, yes.
Sir, teenager life is good in our life,
Okay.
in our whole life, because teenager have not do work.
Okay.
They get money from their parents, that they have a lot of time, so they develop our hobbies and make new things and make friends and
Do whatever they want. Okay. Chali, that's good. Now, students, I'm just going to conclude the topic by saying few lines. That every stage of life is very beautiful if you are living it in the way as it should be lived. You know, if you are teenager, you can still enjoy the beauty of life. If you are adult, you can enjoy. If you are even a young child, you can also enjoy the beauty of life. It's up to you how you are living. Even your old age, you have crossed your 80, you are 80 plus, still you can enjoy the beauty of life. Right? Now it's up to you that how you are living. Whether you are a child, a teenager, adult, or an old man. It's up to you that how you are living. So now what we have to do, we need to make our life meaningful. As he says that childhood is the best age because he is still child. Okay? And he is enjoying his life very beautifully. After some time, when he will be mature, he need to do his responsibility with honesty. When he will be grown old, then at that time he also need to do his responsibility with honesty. So in every stage, we are allotted some sort of work by the society that we need to do with honesty. So really guys, this was a very healthy discussion. You all have given your views very confidently. I really would say that it was a nice discussion. So a good clapping for you all guys.